Well, as you can see, Safe Light is here. Safe Light repair, Safe Light replace, or whatever. And I am taking the bicycle. Vroom vroom. So yeah, I was on my way up to Fort Mountain, and a car like kind of swerved off the side of the road a little bit and kicked up a rock, and it broke my glass. I really didn't think it was gonna be a big deal at first, cause it just made like a little chip, and I was like, all right, that's gonna be easy to fix, to repair. But no, by the time I got home, it was like 8 inches long, and it spread to all the way to the side of the glass, and yeah, it was not great. So yeah, whatever. Have to get the whole thing replaced. Unfortunately, my insurance was not set up for cheap ones, so I have to pay a full $500 deductible on replacing that windshield. On the other hand, this is the first time I've ever had a crack in the windshield. I've had rocks fly up and hit it before, but on this car and my first car, never had a crack, so, you know, whatever. It happens. Could have been worse, I guess, but, you know, we're here now. It's getting replaced. Might adjust my insurance to cover that from now on in case it happens again. But anyway, it is a beautiful day. I plan on taking the bike today anyway, because it is fantabulous outside. I wore my jacket this morning, but is there a dog barking at me? Do you want to go, son? We'll go. I'll throw hands with the dog. I'll throw paws. But yeah, I took my jacket this morning because it was like 50 or something. But now it is, what, high 60s. I'm just in a little jacket. It's nice. Gotta get out and ride when you can, know what I'm saying? But yeah, gotta go back to work, make that money to pay for my windshield. Sad face. Yeah, I was just on the way to Fort Mountain, and then I heard like the little crack of the windshield, and I look over, and I'm like, oh no! Our windshield! It's broken!
Oh no! Our table! It's broken!
What is that? Is that the Grinch? Oh, it is the Grinch! Look at that. And then all the other actual Christmas characters are deflated. That's fitting. Yeah! Fun times! Have any of you guys ever had to replace a windshield? Or have you been lucky and either not had to deal with it or just had to fix a crack? Because I first looked it up and it was like, to fix a crack was going to be like $130 or something. But then I realized how bad it was, and I had to replace the windshield, and it was no bueno. And this windshield is, of course, more expensive than other ones because it's got like the whole camera set up and the heads-up display. And that guy that was fixing my windshield also has to adjust the camera too. So he's doing more than just fixing the windshield. With more technology comes more problems, I guess. Coke! But whatever, today will be fine as long as I come back to, oh, alright, good job there, guys. What just happened? But yeah, today will be a good day as long as I come back to my car. You know, as long as they don't steal it or break it, I guess I'll be good, huh? And then I'll be back on the road and enjoying this beautiful weather with my fully functional, non-cracked windshield. Really enjoyed taking the bike to work, but tomorrow it's gonna be pouring rain, I believe, so I'm not gonna want to take the bike. I'm a fair weather rider, son. Nah, I have been caught out in a hailstorm before. I'll put that video right here. So yeah, go check that out. I don't always ride when it's sunny. I mean, I do when I can help it, but... Ah, my face! Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Always remember, check that little box on your insurance thing that says that they'll replace your windshield or whatever. I don't know. I'm not the insurance agency. Just, you know, be prepared. That's all I'm saying. Be prepared. Peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you next time. Ta-da!